John, I'm Jamie. Nice
Hi,
to meet you.
John Rocha from Zero UI.
How you doing?
Doing very well, thank you.
So tell us what you brought to us here. You got me intrigued.
Absolutely. Well, this is Zyro, the world's first robotics kit that you can control with your hand.
Oh, cool.
Nice.
Absolutely. So the kit comes with these different actuator modules that partner with this smart glove that you see here. All you do is a quick flick. It turns green. The actuator modules turn green as well. And you're able to start controlling it. So you're able to build a variety of different things. The kit actually comes with 3 different robots and will be available later this month in Indiegogo and then in retail this summer.
So, and you're actually, by tilting your hand one way or the other, you're actually steering in that direction.
Absolutely. So when you're actually assembling the different robotic devices that you want to create, use your smartphone to calibrate which actuator does what type of movement. There's 7 different gestures that are available to work with. And then once you're all done, you pairs together and you're ready to start playing with your new robot.
That's excellent. This is like, Brainiac stuff. I mean, this is like so cool. This would be something I would love to have when I was a lot younger. Yeah. I'd love to have it now, but I don't know if I can get away with having my wife drive these around, me driving these around the home. But there was a time when I was in college and was really interested in this, but robotics really was very early in its career or its lifespan as far as what we do. So where did you get the idea for something like this?
Sure. So our team's actually coming from the University of Purdue, or Purdue University.
Okay. And
it's been in development for over 3 years now, and so we're really excited to be unveiling this technology here at CES. And so far the support has been fantastic.
Well, excellent for Purdue University. There's a couple of schools out there I know are heavily involved in robotics, but I didn't know Purdue was doing a lot with it as well. That's fantastic.
Absolutely. And like I said, we definitely couldn't be more thrilled to be here today and to expose this type of technology to people of all ages. This type of technology is great for STEM education as well.
Yeah, so let's put this a little closer out here. Bring your hand out so we can see it in the camera.
So you can see the camera angle there. So you can see the hand on the back of the lights there. He can flick it down and make the hand turn green, and then he can make it move around a little bit.
It wants the award. That's what the robot's after.
All the robots want the award. That's excellent. So this is something, what do you see this as an application? I mean, obviously this is a kit right now.
Absolutely.
And that somebody can just kind of learn robotics and experiment and build different things from this. But what are the applications in the world that you see this going to?
Yeah, so as of now, it's really meant to sort of prompt STEM education, teach the fundamentals of engineering and physics and product design. But we definitely see more applications down the line for this. Sort of the mission for Zero UI is to remove the barriers between people and technology, to interact with mechanical things and other types of devices in a way that's extremely intuitive. And the only way to do that is really through hand gestures and really, really simple types of ways like that.
I see this. I'm a paramedic, and we do search and rescue and things like that. We know that drones are becoming useful in search and rescue applications all the time now. The flooding that's going on in the middle part of the country, there've been a lot of drone searches that have been enabled through some of the FEMA resources and other resources that are there. I could see something like this in a collapsed structure, perhaps, being utilized by an incident commander or a special rescue technician using something small like this and the hand gestures to navigate through narrow spaces.
Absolutely. Again, precision is really the key behind Zero UI and the product called Zyro, because like I said before, it's so fluid, it's so intuitive, and being able to have that kind of precision allows those types of applications, whether it be through search and rescue like you're talking about, or even through physical therapy and other sorts of things down the line. So right now we're opening this up for everybody to enjoy sort of a unique children's product, but we're also going to open up a API as well for developers to get involved and to start programming their own unique applications with Zyro.
When will that be available?
That'll be available with our Indiegogo launch as well. So we'll be launching Indiegogo later this month in January, and then shipping will begin in May, and retail will begin this summer.
Excellent. So where can people find, if they want to get, is there a list they can get on to be notified about the Indiegogo?
Yes, absolutely. We have discounts available at www.zyro.io. Zyro.io. We'll be launching an Indiegogo later this month, and we'd love to give you guys a discount and help support us in our Indiegogo campaign.
Okay. How do you spell Zyro?
Zyro is Z-I-R-O, and so the website is www.ziro.io.
Okay, because it has 0 on there, and I wanted to make sure whether it was a typo or not. But Zyro, so Z-I-R-O and .ui.
.io. You got it.
That was me because it had an UI up there. Sorry.
No problem.
That's all good. So, what's the mascot at Purdue?
Boilermakers.
Boilermakers. So go Boilermakers. This was awesome.
Absolutely.
Way to go. kudos to you guys.
So this is the kit that would be available on Indiegogo
yes,
or something like
the
that?
full kit will have 4 modules, and then 1 smart glove, and then also that comes with the kit are 3 different robots that they're able to configure. So one is a Mars rover, another one's a humanoid robot, and the last one's a robotic dog. And after completing all 3 of those different robotic creations, we feel that the person has sort of mastered how Zyro works. It can use household materials to make whatever they want. We've seen people make their own R2-D2 or their own other types of robotic creations. So really, it's up to your imagination.
Oh,
Cool.
I would have loved to have this when I was a kid.
You're like me. You'd love to have it right now. If Jenny would only allow you. That's awesome. Well, again, look for this in the Indiegogo campaign coming up at the end of January.
That's correct.
Okay, and go to Zyro.io.
And what kind of pricing would you be looking at for that basic kit?
Sure. So 4 modules and a smart glove and the ability to make 3 different robots will run about $199.
That's great.
But other kits will be starting at even lesser values as well. So about $99 and $149 for different amounts of actuator modules and the power glove. So.
Fantastic.
Thanks.
Well, thank you for sharing this with us. And this is just the kind of unique technology that we're really interested in showing off to our audience here. And there's some tech geeks out there that are probably can't wait for the end of January.
Absolutely.
Because of this, so.
No, we feel it brings that sort of Iron Man type of quality, or brings the force to everybody that wants to enjoy it with some really cool robots. So,
excellent.
Yep. So thank you so much for having me, guys. We really appreciate it.
Appreciate the innovation. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you so much. Take care.
Thank you.